I recently replaced the battery of my 6-year-old Xiaomi Mi 4, which is a true flagship killer back in 2014, but because of its age, the battery has bloated and needs to be replaced. Luckily, there are many battery sellers on Shopee. Full disclosure, this is my first DIY battery replacement, so don't expect any professional level handling of tools here. I'm just sharing this to encourage everyone to stay at home and DIY everything that you can DIY. Save some money and stay safe. Let's get started. Alright, this is the phone, Xiaomi Mi 4. Its back cover cannot clip properly on place anymore because of the bloated battery. And this is the BM32 battery that I bought from Shopee for 399 Philippine pesos plus shipping. You can find the link of the Shopee item from the video description. And of course, we will be needing tools here. I got this for free before, but there's many available sellers of this tool set online which cost only about 20 pesos or so. Okay, let's get this thing started. First step is to open the back panel. Mi 4 only uses a plastic back panel, so you only need to get the clips off and you can take the back cover out. No need for a blower or applying heat. This is an easy part for me because the back panel of this phone won't clip on place anymore because of the super bloated battery. As you can see, the battery looks like it's going to give birth to a triplet any moment now. It's so bloated. Next step, we need to remove the 10 mini Phillips screws from the inner back cover. I don't want to waste your time watching me holding the tools incorrectly and constantly forgetting to remove some screws like an amateur that I am, so I'll fast forward this part. Alright, 10 mini screws are out. Now we need to remove the inner back cover. We just need to unclip them. Okay, there you go. The phone is now on all-out full frontal nudity here. So next we need to peel out the battery sticker since we still have two cables underneath that sticker. When the sticker is out, we just need to pull out the end of the two cable just like Legos. And peel them out of the battery. Then pull out the battery connector as well. And now we can pull out the battery itself. On this part, you might need a blower to apply heat. I didn't use one, so I really struggled pulling out the battery. The stickers are still very sticky and I'm just glad that I didn't break anything pulling it out. Alright, now it's time to put the new battery in. Just place it on the same position from where we took out that ugly pregnant old battery. Then plug in the battery connector as well as the other two cable connectors, just like how you would connect a miniature Lego part. Okay, now let's turn it on before I put everything back, and then pray with me that I did not break this phone. Come on, turn on. There you go. Looks like it's reloading the ROM, and this might take a while, so while waiting, let's put back all the parts and let's fast forward this again to hide my amateur moves. Now for the last part, the plastic back panel. And yay! The back panel now clips on properly, unlike when this pregnant battery was still on. Let me put it back to its case for extra protection. It's still loading, so let's wait for it to boot up.
A few moments later.
Okay, it has booted properly. It's alive. My first DIY battery replacement is a success. I have plugged it in to a charger to test the new battery, and as you can see, there's a light indicator which indicates that it is charging, as well as the battery indicator from the screen. I hope this video helps. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you love it, consider subscribing to the channel. Nila Suj for watching. Nova Air.